Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tia Swardatul Jana and my friend.
My name is Azara Salsa Yusafira. This is our video conversation. So let's start to dialogue. Uh, Hi Tias, it's been a while since we talked. How have you been?
Hi Vira, I'm good. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good too. By the way, how how has your experience been after 6 months of studying nursing?
It's exciting but also a challenging. I have learned so many new things. How do you manage your time between classes and assignment?
I try to plan my schedule well, but sometimes it's still overwhelming. What do you think is the most interesting subject so far?
I think anatomy is really interesting. What about you? What do you like the most about this study?
I love the practice sessions. Is in the skills lab. It really feels like being a real nurse. By the way, who is your favorite lecturer so far?
I like Miss really. She's very passionate when teaching. Who do you like the most inspiring nurse in history?
Florence Nightingale, of course. She changed the way nurse is seen. When did you first feel that you truly enjoyed this study?
Maybe after the first midterm exam, I started getting used to them writing. When do you usually study? Morning, afternoon, or night?
I prefer studying at night. It's quieter. Where is your favorite place to study on campus? Yes, campus.
I like studying in the library. Where
Campus.
do you usually go when you need a break from studying?
I go to the campus cafe or take a walk outside. Why did you choose nursing as your major?
Because I want to help others, and I feel that this position is very meaningful. Why do you think nursing is important in healthcare?
Because nurses provide continuous care and emotional support to patients. What do you think is the biggest challenge in the study?
Balancing theory and practice. Sometimes the schedule is very tough packet. What motivation you to keep doing despite the challenge?
Thinking about my future as a nurse keeps me going. How do you deal with stress from all the assignments?
I usually take a short break or go for a walk. How do you prepare yourself before a practice exam?
I practice a lot with my friends. Who do you usually study with before exam?
I study with Alia because she's very diligent. Who has helped you the most in the understanding the subjects?
Some seniors have been really helpful in explaining difficult topics. When did you first feel that this major was the right choice for you?
When I successfully for performance and IT instructions. When do you think we will start our clinical practice in the hospital?
Probably next semester. Where would you like to do your internship in the future?
I want to intern at a big hospital so I can learn more. Where do you see yourself working after graduation?
I want to work in an emergency department. Why do you think nurses need to have a high level of empathy?
Because they actually interact with patients who need emotional support. Why is teamwork important in nursing?
Because we need to coordinate with doctors and other medical staff. How do you see the role of a nurse in a medical team?
It's very important because nurses are the main link between doctor and patient. How do you feel about the upcoming exam?
Nervous but excited. What are your hopes for the next 6 months in this study?
I hope the more disciplined in studying and be more prepared for hospital practice. What about you?
I hope to become more skilled in nursing procedures and better understand the theory being taught.
Uh, let's get through this journey successful together, Safira.
I mean, keep up the spirit, yes. Okay, it's finished for the conversation between us, Yas and Safira. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.